Good morning, good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jayanti Bag. I am from Paskuda East Midnapur. I completed in my family. There are four members: my mother, my elder brother, my elder sister, and I myself. I completed my graduation in 2018. Then I completed my post graduation in 2020. Then I completed my B.Ed degree in 2022, and then I was preparing for government job, and recently I got selected in State Bank of India junior associate at junior associate. So today I want to share my topic, my life after 2019. After 2019, uh, uh, in the last month, December in 2019, I was in Midnapur, uh, mm, because I was my college was Midnapur College. I was doing MSc in chemistry there. So most probably fourth semester was running. So that time, I my in my family there was a crisis, medical emergency. My elder brother um, was suffering from severe headache and also severe fever. So after all the checkups and all, he got diagnosed with typhoid. We thought that everything was sorted. Uh, so I and in that meantime, Corona pandemic was arrived. So Corona pandemic arrived. So that time. I am talking about 2020 March month. There was lockdown, and my elder brother again was suffering from severe headache and severe fever. So that time, as the pandemic was running, so pandemic was going on. So there was medical crisis, that we did huge crisis. So he actually he মানে অনেক ডাক্তার সেটা ঠিকঠাক করতে পারেনি। হ্যাঁ, ডাক্তার ডিডেন্ট হ্যাঁ কেয়ার প্রপারলি। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ তখন হ্যাঁ মানে হাত দিয়ে দেখতেও চায় না। হ্যাঁ এরকম ব্যাপার। তো দেন ওয়ান ডে মাই ব্রাদার got hospitalized in Tamluk. Then he returned home, but the treatment was not properly done. So we hospitalized my elder brother, to Kolkata's hospital. Then he got one day, he মানে কোমায় চলে গেছিল। He went to coma, and that day we lost our all hope. But he was diagnosed with meningitis, which is I think the rare disease. So after that, he got paralyzed. And in my family, as I earlier I have mentioned that my elder sister already got married. So in my family there was me and my mother to take care my elder brother and take care everything. So that time he returned home, and he did not walk properly. He can't eat food properly, so we have to take care of that. And that time my fourth semester exam got postponed, so I had the time to prepare myself, and also the exam was conducted by online. So that was not very problem, because I had no preparation for that. So after that my brother মানে একটু একটু করে সুস্থ হতে লাগলো, but he was not properly cured. So we had to manage everything. So from all household works to from shopping, marketing, I had to do everything. And also I had to take care of my study, and also my brother also there. So when the lockdown opened, my after MSc I am talking, all my friends, they were giving various exams in different company, because in chemistry there was private sectors, yes. So but I had no option to leave my house. I had to choose my family. I had to prioritize my family over my career then.
No
So
way, no options is there.
no,
That is the only way.
there is the only way. So I had to sacrifice my all dreams, and and all my career's option. And in 2021, then also my brother was not properly cured. Treatment was going on. So in 2021, I gave an interview, and I was selected in that company, Holdia company. But thinking all about my family, I had to leave the job, private sector job. Then I got frustrated and I got depressed that everyone who passed out with me got,
They are getting
they
job.
are getting job, and I have no option. So um, মানে ইয়ার গ্যাপ হয়ে গেলে কোম্পানি আর নেবে না
Yes, yes.
ফ্রেশার্স, দেয়ার ওয়াজ দ্য অপরচুনিটি ফর ফ্রেশার্স ক্যান্ডিডেট
Or
অনলি
experienced.
or experienced
If you have a gap between your qualification and your
current study, then I will not
get any job.
get
Chances is very less.
yes. So in between I gave many interviews, but at the as the 1 year gap was there, so they didn't select me uh, in their company. And then I think that I had to do something, মানে বাড়ি থেকেই যা করার করতে হবে
Whatever it is, whatever you have to do from here.
from here. So I searched that my subject career options was gone in
To go to
private
different
sector,
sector.
yes.
So I have to
And
search some different sector.
I have to search some different sectors. So in between I got admitted in Shahid Khudiram College of Education, as online classes were there. So বাড়ি থেকেই ক্লাস করা যাবে। So I got admitted in B.Ed degree in 2000. So I in 2021 my B.Ed degree was running. So I in May or June I searched that মানে কি এক্সাম হচ্ছে এখন,
Whatever the exams going on.
whatever the exams going on. So I saw that banking exams are there, and also my aunt's মানে নাতনি,
Aunt's granddaughter.
granddaughter got selected in State Bank of India as junior associate. So he also completed his graduation in physics and also master degree in physics. So I thought that yes, this is the thing that
I can also.
I can also do, because there was no opportunity for me left. So I decided to start my preparation online. Then after completed all household works, I had to study. I managed my time with all the things, and life was going. But in 2022 I cleared my exam, but the mains exam was one day before my elder brother's marriage. So there was no scope to qualify the exam. I gave the exam, but I didn't qualify the exam.
Preparation was not as easy.
Proper preparation was not going well. So I thought that my elder brothers got married, then there will be one help for me. I can do my preparation better now. So but uh, my elder brother got divorced within 3 months.
Another
Uh,
accident.
there was another accident in our family. So there was everyone's mental health was
Your mother and your brother.
yes.
Something happens in family means you will be affected by it.
So that time also again মানে আমি প্রথমের পর্যায়ে চলে গেছিলাম,
Again, I went to ask.
first stage of my life, first stage of my preparation, because
They
uh,
are not consulted.
I can't could not concentrate anymore. So then I decided that leave all the things. There was chaos every day in family. Court case was going on, so everything was going on. So but I think that মানে এটা না হলে আর করবোটা কি, এটা
That is the only option.
that is the only
I'm
option.
bound to do that.
Yes, I was bound to take care of my family, and also I was bound to my career. So I because I prioritize my family over my career before. But I thought that everything will be settled. After that, what about me? So মানে যা করতে হবে বাড়িতে থেকেই করতে হবে বলে আমি তখন শুরু করি আবার। Again I started my preparation, and that year 2023 also I qualified one or two exams. Uh, then in 2024, the situation is same for my family, that after doing all the
But now
household
you have
works.
learned how to manage everything. Long years experience. Of the balance, yeah, you have learned how to balance everything.
Yes. So after doing every thing, uh, I prepared myself. I managed my time. I gave my time to my family. I
As well as
gave
me.
my time to as well as me. So I qualified last 2024 exam. This was 24 exam. Uh, so I qualified. This was my fourth attempt, and yes, thank you.